Adeshimama yamamu nyina ebrem ena yade awia planto bre kasie ede ebrewo kasie obeti enka ewo Sompa TV eso Sompa 93.1 etwa no abufumpa ewo sunwane ene nkransa yinada ubenya kasie bi na watie bi ede afiri ho na ena wiai kasie de brewo de di mu akotene ne tofa bo ebini dia wabobo adom ano ede ema osurukokroko amanyokuo no na sabere kuo bi a wo mo ate no wo mo asem wo mo kanyina ne se running mate no wo mo nya ibre no no mo mfa ma wo mampani abedi akire no ono ankasa emre pese mu no edi ode beba no na wo musom se de beya emfie pinu ane aduanu na abato no betumi akoso fotosanfo emma wo man ekohiem ewo US abrochimemu IMF nkrata asem bi no de bey ene firimu eba ye yekotie bi emfa emfiri ho na trainer sabre aba wo mamu na ye try na ya hwe no ka bia ne no ekodi ahia no driver no sabre ehfa ene wo obeti bi afiri sa kase yi mu ebi yade ni echirem ewo Cape Coast a nana enkafoa ono na wo ye ohene ewo enkafoa na asem wo kanyina ene se afi abato no ebekoso tote pa na empo ebekoso asundiem abra basabasayo ebia entumi ensi ensu brantam bia to ye nim odwo ne a ede baaye no portrait fam bia sabri no ne nkokọ a awuo no enya asem ketwa wei ene afoforo bi ka ho ene abeda no kase ede abesoma wi apram tubrei mu ofonsuo aboaje ene midin na yakọ social media handles no so a Facebook and YouTube no digya da efa kase bi subscribe na share afoforo hwe bi na wontie bi emfa free ho eno tiganye bre na yentie kase mu ensem Jumadi bi ekoso ewo US abrochimem Washington DC na IMF nkrata asem said ye beya oman yawro ye ho ye peye ho na ye nya sika emfa mo oman ho bra no epepi aban be ko aban be banya aba weku na IMF de ne ho akwakodom IMM amo bra ku no eno ti jumadi bi ekoso no Financial Minister Emma woman Dr. Mohammed Mim Adam kwosiam ewo ho no enkrata asem bia mo hwe na mo atototo se de beya o man sikasem ebetumi agina no sabre no empanifo kohiem ewo Washington DC a mo so adwen no maka nwoma de akonanim se de beya o man sikasem ene mu ntoto nyina da ebetumi akonanim Dr. Mohammed Imim Adam dwumadie na se no sumpiani apaso gina so no sei eno ka ne zemfae
performance resulted in the successful the discussions that we had with the IMF mission when they came to Ghana, leading to securing a staff level agreement. And by securing a staff level agreement, it means that we are ready to go through the second review of the fund. And I'm very confident that with the performance we have shown so far, the board, when it meets somewhere in June, will approve Ghana's second review, paving way for disbursement of 360 million US dollars, and that would have brought total disbursement to 1.5 billion United States dollars. This is remarkable because many people thought that with the kind of difficulties that we faced in our economy because of the external shocks, but also because of domestic vulnerabilities, we were not going to be successful with the implementation of the policies that we negotiated with the fund. But I can tell you that the fund is pretty happy. They are very positive about our performance, and we will continue to do the best we can under the leadership of our president President Nana Addo to give good account of ourselves in the management of the economy. We're currently going through a program called DPO series, the Development Policy Operation, under which the World Bank is committed to provide financial support to Ghana. The first tranche of this support has already been received by us, $300 million United States dollars. And that is what we call DPO1. We are discussing the second DPO2, and hopefully we will also be successful at that, which will see.
Photo sound for Emma Wamai, Dr. Mohammed Emim Adam ne and Yakoti, and Nanwache no Sada to us say. We share weekend here, dumso no, say abo, say emayo, and can you move dumcran and more money? And you can a timetable crom bayano, then you won't say no better soon, better soon, 50 a month for the edda. Now we shall come say and then can dumso air cost for a hono, a mamma for the one and you might say and put. One hour your cost to cry near Kakura. Now, word of one so crass soon, and no more and a photo sound for actually say, San Yoma Abenano, Abayan, yes, a Yabun and Yagus, name mum, was a quampa of a fashion, not do so Nano, while resolve your Nanyoma to me a conkai.
The sector continues to be our Achilles heels, and the current outages is quite disturbing. We are not happy about it ourselves. But the problems in the energy sector have accumulated for years. We have addressed some of these challenges, but some of them are also emerging that needs immediate attention. And so under the leadership of His Excellency the President, we have agreed to a number of measures that we have started implementing. And in due course, very, very soon, the people of Ghana will see the results of these interventions. Particularly the cash waterfall mechanism, which faced some challenges, is being repositioned to deliver and to achieve its objective. The revenue collection by ECG really has improved, but we haven't gotten to where we want to get to. We want ECG to collect, to populate the cash waterfall mechanism to the levels that can provide cash flow, all the other SOEs in the value chain, and that can also pay for fuel, and that can pay for the power IPPs are providing. We are almost there, and very soon the people of Ghana will see the results. To bring accountability and transparency.
Photo sound for Emma Wamai and Yakotene can Dr. Mohammed Mim Adam ne and Yakoti yeno. Na wadofo ye pempuntu na wanhwe ye na empuntu no so eduru ba bia na esai baba ba ekotoko kuma ni nyina ene se woman enkane no na ne train kura de se de na amanfo esifo no omam ha no ene abuasefo no manije pa na train mu na ye de aba na empo ye kwakwakoso ahwe na ya mo amane se edasei ena train no omkwakwakoso ahwe no ena akofa oyune aba akoye ho ewotema impact dan akwantempo no so na wadofo sedi ade no esikoye na ya abro ho sempa na mmom obi ani wa wohwere ne nkwa na sedi ka no esi ekoye ye no na akwa se droba no se ye twe na so kakra ti sabre ya me no kasa no ya de na kwotu kukum evie bosumi ensia se wonkoye adwumaden ewo Japan circuit court na ofa enhua nyansa na Sompa kase ene assembly member Abubakar Belko ekasaye na asem a woka nyina ne se empepi no se bibisa abekoso ai ka yenyitimamufo asotre se ye beye bibisa yi ewo ha eno akire kura no wona wo ho no omo train no omo hyeda huhu bisa eno ntino se ye be nkyerɛkyerɛ bi de akyerɛ wo mo a se de bia ombetimi atwa mu wa abra train no kura bo na abɛpo no a wo hu ba bia wo begina ono abo Abubakar Belko na no disem odi tudwa.
It is not a route, an official route that vehicles travel through. But it was unfortunate that there was an underpass which is 3 meter height. When the driver was going to offload his blocks, as they said, from a rhino truck, he managed to pass there. But because of the height of the underpass, on his way back, he wanted to pass through the rail line and cross to the other side. Because when he was going, his car was crashed by the bridge. Yeah. And so it's an unfortunate incident. And then while the driver passed the route he uses when he was coming back, he was unauthorized. And this was what led to the accident. It's not an underpass, though. The underpass is what they have already done. Initially we had a variety of meetings with them. We were demanding for an overpass that will have movement for the community, for the students, for vehicles, wheels carrying vehicles, and all other persons. But they said they could not do that because of the levels of the road they are doing. So they promised us that upon completing the road, they were going to fix the pavement close to where the underpass is, where heavy trucks can pass, and then the smaller vehicles can use the underpass. But as they almost finished with the project, or they are done with the project, we haven't seen that. I've been seeing him as a driver since we are all living in the same town, but I don't know in details, but I know him as a driver. We had a discussion after the incident. The district chief executive for the area was also here, and so he told me he's arranging a meeting so that we meet the contractors of the railway and then GR and possibly the railway minister, and we see how best we can solve this problem. The community is very, very worried because there's that point where this accident happened. That is where most of the community people from the other side, that is where they used to walk over because it's a shortcut for them. The students, people who need water, people who go to markets, and a whole lot of, because the diversion of the underpass, it was far from the community. The community was just an adjoining community, and then because of the way we came to divide the community, and where the road was supposed to be, they told us they could not do an overpass there for us, so they diverted the road to another place. So if you are going, you have to pass through a distance, then you come back. So most of the students, even maybe this morning, if we have students going to school, you apply this shortcut because that immediately they cross there, then they are in the other community, which is very, very dangerous.
Honorable Abubakar Beko ne ena yekotie ye no yeto akase ne so ye de ne echirem ewa atwuma mwabiaja atwuma mem ena yedu asante mantem ha na subrantam bi ato ye ni emu oyo na de baye no na abraho asefempa sabre ya mene wo ekasa die Chief Executive Officer Emma Infum Farms no na di eda kokom na ni ababiam na nakwasi emfum anya asam keto akra ni nyina ne se ne nkokɔ ensu atwia fa wo mo so a nkokɔ a ewuo no nya asam keto eno ti papa i kire se aban ene NGO fo omo nsem ewo bie no enkɔ ne mo anya sade a atamenhye
emergency and many more the here say onu bebo amena makoto cages no fufuro na menya baby dey enkokɔ no aguro anasa dia ye nyina ya no kwani nyina se ye wo enkitwa baby atiti enkitwa oho no mususu salus no ne yini nyina asai enfama na asai ni nyina and I sure ya two war afada no hu nyina hia after farm no hu nyina hia and also from an asset one in any years is we are no crowd and can fanisa but one in India from an asset a car will move papa a man DJ no a car and a bro won't mean to a bro nobody the one the bag back 50 kilos yet 195 and now 200 cities in no board no when who be bia ya kra concentrate ya kra a bro ya kra enu ya kra bia ko dollar jaman who jula edge and kakra ya say from us so awudi wabedi eno nti Ghana mpanimfo MYA nkanka banks no ene a grant no a eba no 1D 1F no omu kase ebe me bi ye twa kwan saa onkosi aga ene eja ya prebusia o bank e di twa we ya we su aha say what can say wa ha edoso na wo dwene say said ya dino enkoko no eye nya adwuma na say a wutuma ne ntra na wutua ne ka also manoko now prebusia ye eyi so ye bi mu ana so wantimi anya so ne nipa to no otifienti adwuma de say eye se ne so ani bi anso wasne dia na ma obambuo because uni ska de baby a okofa e dia abdia beto so na abdia besim ekoba ni say na so onim kokɔ ho adwuma pa de a na ne akodane abraho sem papa na nakwasi emfum farms ono na epani pa ewo ho na kosem na odi etudwa no eno ache na napokuo no na general supervisor ono so kasa kakra
send odi kakra ni sika ye de awura adwuma de ewe na sika kase even nim di for krom ba be hyehyɛ sa de ewe no kra no omo kan ne sika ketwa nti akoba se dakope na wani betina emframa ase bibia na se ɛde haw kɛseɛ ɛna aba na yɛteɛ no so no ɛyam so yɛ sɛ maa mobɛhu bi no ma madi ho adanseɛ ɛyɛ ayamhyehye adeɛ a ɛhia mmoa paa nimanim yɛ a ɛhia mmoa sɛ meka toa so a woawohwɛ m'akyi a nkokɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ yi menka ɛnsɛ tiefoɔ aso no yɛnwie na mu bɛyɛ 300 to 500 awu nkosua a nke bɛyi ne nɛ ama yɛdwadifoɔ ne atɔfoɔ no nyinaa no ayɛ kwa sane sɛ ebuo no nyinaa adwiri ɛna akokɔ so ban sɛ ɛsiteɛ no wo disturb no ketewa bi a wɔnto enti dede a ɛkɔ so wɔ ha nnipa a ɛyɛ adwuma wa no nyinaa no ɛma kosua dodo a nkarenka no bɛto ne nnɛ no yɛntumi nya ne saa biribiara asɛe wɔ ha ma ni ehu bibia wɔ ha biara asɛe agye sɛ yɛ biribiara foforɔ because dadeɛ a yɛde yɛyɛ akoa ntumi mfa dadeɛ akoa nsa anyɛ bibi foforɔ nti na yɛto yɛn nsa frɛ mu sɛ yɛbɛfa mo so asere sɛ NGO-foɔ biara a wɔwɔ saa ahoɔden no aban nnwumayɛfoɔ bi a wɔwɔ ahoɔden bɛtumi abɛboa yɛn no animanim yi a wɔmmɛboa yɛn sane sɛ haw baako ne sɛ nkokɔ no sɛ ɔde nteteɛ wei ma wɔ mu a na woyi wɔn sɛ wode aduane kura gu trɔf ma ma wɔn a ne deɛ yɛ wɔn den sane sɛ woamfɛ no wantete wɔn mu ɛno da nkyɛn a deɛ wɔbɛtu agu koraa no ɛdɔɔso nti nka wei ne yɛ kwan baako a nka ɛte aduane sɛ yɛ so nkosua bobɔ ne adade ɛte so kyɛ akɔba ne sei no gye sɛ wo sa akɔ wo dada nim na ɛno so koraa no wokɔ mu no ɛnyɛ ade ketewa because wo transfer nkokɔ wei akɔyɛ temporary cage animanim yi a ɛde nkokɔ akɔgum na ɛsika kɛseɛ ɛno nti ne yɛsrɛ adɔfoɔ
supervisor Emma Efun Farms here Nana Poku ene ena yekotie no abrafu yie papa nkokɔ no wu kosua no so obeyi ne no so a wɔde kɔ akɔtɔ aduane ama mmoa no so a ne ɔmo ntumi ento ɛno ti Efun Farms say NGO ni aban enko wo mo mmoa ekuo bi ye fe no patriotic movement for Babomia sabre wato onum tuo ni nyina ene se wofo ne de ne nam ho apaso ene nti wosuru kokroko amanyokuo no sabre wo man city ano mo ne kuram ene omo chinchim wo mo na se emfie nwotwe no ye twa wie na break the 8 no omo egusu a omo fa ho adwen wo mo bebreki na ne breaking no o mapania be de ache Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia sabre no wono ena eye kandifo wotu franka no de amosu kokroko na tumi no so ema no ho kwan se edi obebo running mate no ni nyina egina ne so eno nti no womanfo bi a wo ka no detedeta se wonye ne ntem no sabre patriotic movement for Bawumia for se omunya nam time ma no na ono a na sumnya so nwene na wotimi modin bi edin no betumi aboa na wakofo obi a wonim de pa na obetumi amosu kokroko amanyuko no akonkan pa Mr. James Agrififi Asian ono ena edwemtrani Emma Patriotic Movement for Bawumia sei eno che ne nsem efaye say yenya abotre na omampanya be de chire emodin
of concerns is brief and important issue of concerns if not addressed as a matter of urgency. The new patriotic party will see a lot of divisions and we are going to have a problem. The patriotic movement for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has observed the current happenings in the party about who to become the running mate to Honorable Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We have also read and listened to the discussions on radio for a certain people and organized groups in the party trying to force a candidate on the flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Those people are signing petitions and press release to make sure that flag bearer bow to their pressure to elect flag bearer into their favor. That is the vice running mate. A new patriotic party members who must have vigorously campaigning for our flag bearer are at the crucial moment busily exerting all their energies on adopting various diabolic strategies and must be condemned. A group further advised those mounting pressure on the flag bearer to desist from selecting a running mate for Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Exercise patience and work hard for the party to win the election, which can't maneuver with.
Dwemtrani Emma Patriotic Movement for Bawumia NSA Adawuruma yesre munyai omampania be de chire ne no ahwehwemu anu modin ebetumi aboante no obi antwe ne ho famfiri ho na empo se wo pese wo nkrofo ne ebo mu din ana se onipa bi a ebo din na se boawa no enya nuru ho munyai munyan fanto na we de omampania be de chire no no ani tumi no de abo edin no kama James Agri ene na yekotie ye no wo bi anim se wo man mfie na bia yeto aba na yesese ye no ebu na no efie pinu ene aduenu nan afia ye womu yi na wie ye no na yekoto aba na ne mrahye badwafo yayi foforo firi se wo se ye soma wo mo no mtimi kopre ye die ni puntu de bre yen saa no mampani adwa no so no afimu a ene ye beto eno ti se kokoba ne se ye beto aba saa no a saa fe no ya na tension wo mu pa eno ti no saa bre wo bia bompa ye se ye ko ne yekoto aba no peacefully na wo bia enho ha no na empo se ye bo aba no kura wi a wo bia betumi agye atum na Ghana fa ne tampa fura eno ti yekoto aba ni ye beto awie no ekuofo no a ana Ghana manfo no a dodo no a ena bompa ye se asumdue bua no ye nyina ye betumi anom eno mu ena nana nkamfoa ono ena eye wo hene ewo keposo afam ho bro no ba ku bi so wotoso enkron sabre nana asem abo ka nyina ne se wono de wo gidie kase pa wo Nyankopon mu se abawe ye beto ene na wie ye nyina da no bibia bekoso asundiem anya asem ketwa enkomotwetwen woni ensem twoni erekanan ena etwetwen ye anya asem ketwa kora
aboto abet masle so benda mane ma yesho yeso mi de ya denala ye kokumitani udi impakol ene MP kokumitani di de mana e ma peyse di kokumiti masas mu me de ma da me amayeku yinala sado I onye timna ka o yeboko asumdwi mala yeboto minjinzi de asem bibesi obaya asumdwi ma biala obonu election obaya obetasumdwi baba emenyum metadum pumutumfo mutum fla amenye kunu nimpeyimfo yinala na mekachira wonde ma olupoi wana wodi ban no wana watado ofufa how wodi bla timemfo masrawon abaye botuwi ma mebiala onkona onkafo fefa ibinim bada omba no me besa di biala bokoyi mu omenyam fasumdwe ne fa tu aba ne fasumdwe so fanti ne meimu ne enyam kanye nyinala na aban mo baba oyakoti onye bie da kura na baba mire botoma wa yasumdwe
wine popra won kanfoa ene nana anafo a wotoso enkron enfifi mantem ho ena saakuri ewo nana ne ena yeko na yekotie ye no ewiaso obi ani wa wonpa abasobode eno nti no unwuma pa wo beye no eduru ba bi na se bo abaso a na esefata se abasobode ye de mawo na saabre wo mahina wo ogua ene wo sabe ma doctor Kwesi Ata wotoso emienu saabre nana UCC sukupu a ewo keposuo omo bona baso a enya asem keto akora doctorate degree of law na sabri wachechede dia papa yi a enya asem keto ama nana nani age pa yekọ ne ekotie abra wode abasobode ne ema nana no
ne obiara na anyi ne ri aza okumozumba terrible ma also appreciation kakra ameni de meyara one way with that osumabo osuna wamba dam abozuni osuma dam na ase aba in fact dam washa mkran dam nkodu mabaye nkodu ayenge ma asumdebra ma university one when you are going to throughout the country the world the engine of our engine so nti kakra mosu motu mayem o wa ya ma nti mosu mojima mojimara ozobobwa na investor so kwa be yeko the percentage of Cape Coast students who pass that exam is nothing to write home about. If you go to the secondary schools, the university, you can count number of Cape Coast indigenous who are there. How come we have all these good secondary schools in Cape Coast. For people to come from outside, occupy those schools, and the indigenous can't find their way to the university or to the secondary schools. It's just because we are not learning, and so many things are not getting right for us, especially for our children. That is why I've already been talking to 2 professors.
And what say, and I was Sabema at the 2 o'clock, say, and they would have Adentia if we say, Edru baby, Bravo Samoa, and Abedia Yawodia, and say, one now Cassa will free Cape Cosuano, Edru baby, say, Ukosuku Pumwa, and Quadaya Fawamu Ewohono, one now free Cape Cosuno, Yana Usha, na Empo Crano, said the baby Ebasukuwa, one now Cape Cosuano. And I was a Kaumutimi etimi enya bi eno and I was sabe makwasiata wotoso mienu de atugano na yenko kagetia yekọ kagetia dumso a ekoso wo mamha no enya asam ketwa kra na ona wanya sika akofa nwoma na wanya soto no bi wo kagetia no sabere yen kanea no edi wo munya papa no omo se ya wada obeye yo kire adenti ene obeye yo kire no ene okoya asam foforo pa erekosa ebuache egina homa so yakọ nya ye ne no enko twetwe nkomo panipa wotime ka memo ha emo akọ aba eba Sompa kasie yi so
mejo so opanyine mejo so pa
katachi na bibia abokọ de
yanko pa dumo
na wo amene wo kasa yi wo wo soto wo kageti aho
ai bacho ai
sabre demonstration mo se mo baba ye no de demonstration ya
ye de ni nyina no say kagetia lighter edumia eno demonstration ye because yasem nyina no say ebi mu say per for o diska no ebi mu say broni na oye kagetia a osie no ye so ojaka wa ana ebi mu so say ye friend say sikana yikia no ye deka enti problem anti e ma chako ECG na omama ye hu say aye potinti no ba betwe lighting no mo ntire ka ye de na ye hu ye problem ano no
na sabre no mo no mogitum se bre no eba mutua na mpo mutua ehemfo na adisika no
ano ni ye pese ko ECG ko find out because obi atia ni be kejetia wan tia be na ye beto shop no enti enim kwankoro enu ntia ye deka enti o se ko ECG no ba ye kwankoro ye deka ni ye kwankoro adekonti ye deka because kejetia de nim ni say wan tia obe a ye beto shop no utia san ye bi o shop ama enti enim kwankoro a ntia ma ye deka ye nti se obodi atu dwa no
eti sesi ano ekase pa na modia omatu obetwa kania nim sa
de yatete informe de yatete informe say almost here they can 75 billion kejetia
75 say
billion
na kwa dim krofo bi na allege omodie
almost say kai de no kejetia so kejetia wa mejo oma 1 year omo mi shop up to now omo de receipt ma omo de receipt be show eti omo ma ye hu actual people a ye friend say ya adwuma wo omo ma eti na bi omo de be show omo ma ye hu ma nkasa senkaye bibi kaka wo mti ye be problem na say ye ko ECG wo na omo ma ye hu ekwa konti a ye de ka se broni na obe ye adwuma wo company no ene jaka wo ma ana say ekwan ye fa so ka bai no mo me hu the problem because it make my show a receipt bi bia tira obo say na tie
na mo adwadifo no so mo gitum se mo deka na mutua
tie tia obi a be o keye tie bia o di dwa no obetima ayi ni receipt aba say bi obi o mo di aba bia ye tia ene kwa me bai o mo di be o mo che be o mo di be aba omo di be friend say omo di be for France aba match day omo di match day aba
na ya
omo anjo match day aba
ya tuya sensei
match day no omo ma me your friend say wo mo match day no ye 2.64 264
obi etua 2.64 anase enyoma we use
me de omo de ma me no de me de no
na wutie obi so de ebe yesai
ano de mindim de me de no na me kire no
na ekokoba se sabre no anase de bai na bema demonstration no ema monyo
oh yeah de ye be say de amaye nya demonstration de be na meter bo ano de ni demonstration bi aye obi anya ni meter ni demonstration bi aye ye ko commander ho ya ko regional minister ho ye letter ko to ye letter ko to commander ho senya ko po ya aduma o ma ma ye kwan ye demonstration because any abre ye wuti de ye nkasa ye wanwu wo ye nya bo keje tia obi antimi nsu fo ya yankwa ene obi keje tia ho 3 years ni obi ani wa woti maka bibi say obo ye da ye say regional commander wo say past 3 years e twemo na honorary oye commander ye kono onum e wo central ye kono onu keje tia case we yawo and na be regional commander and ye this asim ya sakotu nanim
na sesi aposifo amamo kwan ya mo be da demonstration
ba just say
aposifo amamo kwan ya mo be da yo
oh be da no mo ma ye kwan se bibia embrawo Ghana se embrawo Ghana ye bibia ye reform na kwa so anu tina embrawo o man yi mo enti bibia ye reform na kwan so ye mfa ye pa nye bibia ye reform na kwan so
Abrante ba ku bi bo wachi o besa ka
o say
abrante ba ku gina wachi abrante bia o kasa gu wasum na besa kam ne twetwe
no na semene dey a different issue but who dey tie me dey na make am
oni kaje tia
onu so keje tia shop obi okay mama o timi na kasa o ya ayo baton wani
pani ya fra wo say
ta je fa bi kwaku poku
edu
na wo so e
dwumadie be na odi ni wakaje tia wo so to wo ho
am wo so
na light be no sesi a ya twam na obe no ya no mama wo say no atua
ame before na beton ensuo ana omode eye say be madi 8 points etimi enyu no apeja fridge na kosi fie by na do mama me 1.5 osome light ba ko pede bom
enti uda so atonsuo no a
ensuo no ba jai e say me ton toilet roll
o ton de ai
toilet roll tissue ne toilet roll
ayo pani se ekokoba no se mpanifo omo afamita na amawa amamu a wo adwen ne sei
yan ka se pemita se sie na mita no so o maka se o mo bo no eno no o mo se ntwe ska o ya asanto a ende mom no ye light a ye dum no na ye kwanyi cd wa ko bu so mo se ade na ye du ye dwa na ma be dum light no
panina o no light be no o ne ka wako o nani common be me de odofo kajetia adwadifo omani abre se krodom omo kania yatwam na saabia no uduru ho na se kania ne dum ketwa bi a ehyew bi ebo ho no enya asem ketwa ba ne saa so a na ya no so ne nam ase wa hweye bosia bi o makope edidi o mudwa no na obi so abetabiri ekono ti no mpanifo hwe na omo nsiesie saa asemi emfa ema wo mo yenko ni wadubi ase na sabre no awrawosem bia ekoso wa bra ebrante kwa mienu Yusuf Afrem ene wisdom sabre no enkodai omukodi ewu a enya asem ketwa na yensem tro ni erekanan ono ena wodi asem ya chipa na ni kotu abisi a ne hwene santemo ye wokwa aten ye woba aten na mbom di ogina ho no ene atentrodo ne sayo no ntino yekọ na ye ne erekanan enko twetwe nkomo ereko timi ka memwa ha
mejo so bama
bani pa bibia boko de
na adaro manu mpa ba ho de ho
sabre maami yesu wadi mfinhia eduo wotwe eti ɛdeɛ ne si yɛ a mmeranteɛ tumi gye ne nkwa ɛfiri nsɛm ne mpo ɛyɛ wɔn mo anaa.
That's of also Bema. I was saying is now trying to send Kono. Now, Memo, yeah, Bako, any use FM, yeah, no, in Fishiano, 25 years. Anna wisdom sepe, and also any Fishiano, Ediasan, in 35 years. No, we are now for this is say or more Aje, Mamia, Nidia, and Saka, Naomi, when Fishiano, 80 years and the candidate Gano. Now, or Ghana. Sanso American, yes, Sanso America, Nkata, yes, American, Nimono, or Maimu, na, Yanka say, Nefiancy, and after Nempana, any a year, sete, wisdom, no. Now, mentioning what's a crack about me, Emma, and I'm so, Emma, wisdom, no being thereby, or Bonema, Emma will see him, a year, no daichi, improvement in every PM. Nesting ya eno ebonje kwa na sayo huku nesting lechi no ana ade a omoye to mo de omitri ibomu na omo akwakoti mu ewo asante mu na kwa omo kono na ade a apolitifo insa ka omo no enu odibianse ana apolitifo insa ka omo na na ade omo afu na me a wonya ne bebi kono ne cars ni ya Mini Cooper Saloon Car registration number CR 267-24 and car back to Toyota Vita. The registration number AGT 3817-21. Until then, I put it for and start acting more. The IAS are of I knew the Biate, I put it for more honor. You know more, they are almost in your stars, no more dance. I'm ranting a day or mama a year, month more keep with a put it for the task with a name. Omahe don't be film a dime home in the true Amenano it's you, my maintain much my no ebodina Omahe ede aqua to be a or see not your crown and I'll put the Foguswa or maybe Mahe, it's not medium of the Pimu, or court into and then a finance and nobody be so ever. It's a send them opportunity and I'm so Emma Branton, my meno, na a pussy phone so carrying Rumuno aqua with the same pimpin bar. Why you move to send a police Diana in some normal per se, in thinking about bubbles, including some so, they say near the future. The minimum or Moji or Michum, Cano, and no Bruno, or Cano, idea, and Mamino, and a wristwatch being in the Asos laptop, and in no be breezy camping, Yana, Iraq for sick neck, and one and a police for Agia, a copy of Macachomo, or Moboa, or Mamma Manti and Eboa. But no, I did I used to do so now, no, must know she, a second moment, and young one, or yet on one. Now, said you only know, Master Conco had him that a coach of you know, only you must know who she, no second, and I put it 14, which you say, and BBC, and the Isia or no Eboa, now, no Eboa, Ama, and Shumapa, Atuja, I was.
Edi say ansa na omuhu akotu amu no udidi akafra ne mpo mutu ye no na nsa ye
emu no sani me di kan bono amame no ade aro so iti dano ya wode ya nti emu no de na nsa ye kra woni se na ehu tete kakra wo efini msani omo aprapre court nti na emu no de menka se na ehu titi kakra na ni omo hwe etumo no akwakope bia papa ya omo ekra mu no amanhwemu mapa efiri chaba empempe ne de ya maame na omi ono enya ne baby kono ebisi ne die ne hono ma yehu ese ono efiri chaba ono ne ya maame no ebisi ne ne mo sane nhwemu bisu ayekoso no ya warehemu ese ebusiafo no bi ebetwe mo ti etie maame na omi no omunim no na de ya twetwe dodo na ato ene se maame no hu mfie ene wisdom set you know na omo etwem na dodo na twetwe mo aso a empu no omo hyehye awo ewo mu a mentim ho atekaka akobani na ne wisdom iti mu a car na Toyota Vita na eno eka ntemu nsuma baaye no hono wama ye maame na me ama ne pan ama ontwi car ne ade no eho aprapre na wisdom no according to na mani go extra principle na so e ma na koma wentumi aso na koma mu a wabo ye maame ama wonya na nyame ko wie na mhihye nti wasanso esie no
Eric ma wani ni asemi achi de be firi ato bia no ye kase ye didi anim no na ye ma yetiefo aso ente de akwakosi wai ya sentro ni Eric anan na ye ne no ekotwetwen enkomo no cloud internet odofo saa cloud internet no omuni madwuma yi papa se ye ka internet ho anyoma de a uyi cloud internet for free mo enye yie odofo se opese odi internet ko fie ana CCTV camera no opese obobi se dia akronfo adofo eba ebetumi ache wo mo a ye cloud internet wo top high wone Love FM no ene di ehwani mu kumawan rubank ni mu pe na wo internet ho nyoma de ye cloud internet 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 cloud internet or yanko na internet sem ye fanko da wo mu abe herbal clinic Dr. Sompa Dr. Asagro the sickle cell doctor or for yanko ma me abe ho if you say enem san ya de ono ene bu nyura obetumi de atu ase ya de bibre bia de free timi anu kosu na ase no abe herbal clinic tano so patapa new site ho eno wo obetu ya de ase na wo de amount 0243345392 0243345392 yanko abe ho na yanko sa ya de 3 herbal center or the 3 cool capsules cocoa master de abe capsule or for say cocoa pa dia na 3 cool capsules cocoa de poma no ono ene betumi anom na ahye e de free ho na cocoa no wanhwe ye betumi adunya obema ujaw na ne moja free mu ba e cocoa o mema yo no e be kofom eno ti yanko ne ko battery cool capsules cocoa master bi na yemfa ene ejuma Kolinaka ba Dani Heba Missy Heba Apidank okwa ubenya bi ato 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Tabita Clinic was so full like alignment or for yanko Tabita poor man terms was in the camfo Tabita ukwa Dani Fia de Biano free screening na ode Emma Adeshia ewo Ghana mem enkaka omo santimem eteso emfaso yade epesi tu ase padia Tabita Clinic so full alignment ho na wo 0260196219 0260196219 Tabita Clinic and I make comfort na me the amount clinic of the moment 21st clinic the sciatica expert and I make comfort na me the amount what the ebibidro so in the two sciatica yade no ase na 21st clinic say enye sciatica no kwa o ya de bibire bia da wo de ba na so ye oba wonwo no oba o 21st clinic babies ni bi ewo obama bi pa laboratory nurse can if dia hodo pi wo do be fam 15 branches and ewo Ghana member Kumase obuase akra sunwane nkranza tachima 21st clinic was nyemini 0540311311 0540311311 yankone kope mizu ene 5G mizan bi na yefani ejuma apon toni abedin toni eyoyo no nyina da mizu ene 5G mizan de den sa ye no duru ba bia de nso ya enyeye eno ti de den sa no ene drink ye no mizu ene 5G mizan na make am for nam de amount Manager Daniel ewo 21st clinic ehwa oversee ni dosopu no ubenya bi ato because supermarket aba wasita sewa anomanyi post office yenko to mizu ene 5G mizanu ebi Mama Esther ewo Atcon Royal Ventures Baptist University ebuakwa mizu 5G miza ebusu secha na Sachi Enterprise ewo asafo abinchi on VIP car park no ene edihwe ni mu 0246270221 0246270221 kwa Chidi Company Limited ewo poema ntemu Eastern Range yankoi yebenye bi actor 0243329414 0243329414 KF Kinju Enterprise ewo swame heya ewo ni Enum Hotel no ene di enhwani mu yanko to mizu ene 5G meza ewo KF Kinju Enterprise opamangwa abrosanim eho ena KF Kinju Enterprise wo kwa ni dosupu no yebenya bi actor yentwa ye homra taw yeba yebeto aso amam
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro aduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mu sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Yama ahwafo ne atiefo akwa babiem eba Sompa premtobe kase emu. Yeto akase no so na yemfa mamo yede ni echirem ewo atebubu amanten na emrase badwani ema de hye wo atebubu amanten abatoɔ empasuaso ene honorable Saja Nanja na sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ apomdin ebetumi agyinagyina so ɛwɔ atebubu amanten no ntino saa bere okɔ abanyare sabie wɔ hɔ a motorbike here ɛna wɔde akɔma wɔ mo sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ enyoma betumi akonkan na akɔbadie ɛwɔ ɔmudwumadie mu ebetumi akonkan pa onemonyafo Saja Nanja wɔde saa nyoma ɛma wɔ mo no sei ɛno da ne nsɛmadi
Mutai ni nyina ne sɛ atebu amanten ɔmo do mo wura hyɛ me mu sɛ me na me ɔmo MP kɔto abama na nea aka ne sɛ ɔmo nso ahi adeɛ ɛne ɔmo taxes a ɛba bɛdi me nsɛm afiri aban mu no me de yɛ nneɛma a ɔmo nso ho bɛhehan ɔmo na amanten health center wohwɛ nkura atwa ho ahyia nkura bebe na atwa ho ahyia wode wani bukura na within the amanten catchment area no ti wɔn nkura baako 50 na ɔmo nyinaa no yɛ under ɛfa public health ɛfa sɛ ɔmo kɔ we nkwadaa nyinaa ɛyɛ ɛto ɔmo no abɛde watum anim sɛ ama ɔmo dwumadie no ɔmo ntumi enni ne sɛ ne yɛsɛ nti ɔmo hia means a ɔmo betumi reach out to the hard to reach areas to ɔmo ade moto proposal by now so ɛwɔ say other health facilities bi ne mo te sɛ Gradima Nyomoase Kumfi Afakosi Abamba mo nyinaa ehia means of transport but yɛntumi enye ne nyinaa dakro nti yimienu efiri mu a ɛkɔ yɛ nim no na yɛ toa so na yɛayɛ
Olemonyafo Saja Nanja ne ena yekotie no na enu akyire ena physician assistant a wo Amanten Health Center Mr. Adama Mahama enso ebo emrache bedwani yaba sopa
the honorable Abayana, in fact, a so many. Gonna me too many and to be any bar moto, no, how be bri or Hanoma. And by less than 2 weeks, grand a year meeting. And a true meeting, no committee chairman back. Emma, honorable Yan and TSA, a house in the face. And within a pace of short time, the honorable Bayama, in fact, I'm really happy and I'm very grateful to him. By Hana, the doors, and the better was the honorable and say oldest block. So I shot then here and nyina esunyu no do so tobra ntimi nya adwuma e wo se e paso ana carpenter for ne especial catcher as em paso ne em so fofo e to so biem so I the whole of this facility ni toilet facility so client ba na ne yem kana ye ni bebi a ye de be ma na manager ne nan ya nkasa a ye adwuma wo ha ye ni bebi a bibisa ye be kwa den be kwa gya ye nan
Eni a wote ye Mr. Adama Mahama ono ena ye physician assistant ema Amanten Health Center eno ena yekuti ne no wodofo nyese bia beko suku nko a ena duru ba bia ye be ye onsohwe ame ehu se waben ana wadwene no emudo ana se de kire wo no watumi ehu na Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association sabre se wukosua adepam na eduru ba bia na se master no hwe na se de wakire no enwoma konkan pa no a ye kwa ne ekoso hwe na dwumadie bia kwa so ewotepa wa bra wona watua adepam na wadu ohudie se sabre betua po wo mo no wo ha aninum na wo hyehye ensohwe ede ema wo mo na Mr. Ibrahim Aziz Bright ono na ye chairman ema adehia Tepa Zone 1 Ghana National Tailors Association no wa bra wo mo ye ensohwe no ewiye no sei na odane semadi ne afutuo de mankodan
So everybody chairman winning second time exams and then I die person in my back for that and then so so the same man with me because about night Jimmy and Sam Cameron also said so your son who said a plan so what say with me about one thing now I'm so prepared and I saw with my certificate now only a prepared I don't think that you have said you have why I'm not here for much more they are man of it now and I'm saying
Any awutie ye Tepa Zone 1 Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association Dream Training Emma Bomo Mr. Ibrahim Aziz Bright na yekotie no ene no yemfa we are plan to be akase emfansi na samufo onimonyamfo asante ye bo abenedete ya no nam wanwan no wono no sa kuku aberodika jando de kuku miamenwa ba one chinchin fidie no ya grisi ona ma yeko TV no so ono da kakra kwa no peso twawo de nim guase ebrew ye so de akọ na eye sompa komo de bola mi ameje bre extra se kankan de ma wo no osan ya boagifo su ani medin